Hey, YouTube world, Trev here from Monthly Missions. I'm just at my Airbnb in Canmore. I've just arrived, and I'm driving this nice Alfa Romeo Stelvio 2020. And yeah, I just made it here. I thought I'd record the Airbnb, my walkthrough. I just went to find out where it was, and then I came back to the car. Yeah. Anyways, it's a beautiful car. Beautiful car. It's an SUV, but it performs like a sports car. Anyways, let me show you my Airbnb. Let me see if I can remember how to get there. Very responsible. Bang, bang, bang. Enter the door code, got in. No mistakes there. Got in the elevator, just waiting for me. This is fantastic. So we're going to the second floor, 210. So it was this way. This little elevator, right? Or lift, as they would call it in England, I believe. Shout out to my little sister Clem in England. Hey, Clem. The lift. Okay, 210. Did I pass it? Giggling away. 219. No, I'm headed the right way. Yeah, through these doors. There's their own little space in here. They can close both doors to make it more quiet, I guess. They can close that door, and it's partitioned off. That's so weird. Their own little private apartment. Anyways, ice machine, out of order drink machine, candy bars. Let's see. Oh, $1 for a bag of chips, but they're tiny. $2 for a candy bar. Chocolate bar. Oh, and it does take change. Who carries change anymore? Okay, 210. Will you see this place? Will you see this place, friends? Holy crap. I take off my shirt, my jacket. Sorry. Oh. Sorry, friends. 210. Right here. Enter the code. Look at that. Look how tiny and cute this place is. Massage chair. It looks well used. Hopefully it works. You know, I'd like to give that a try, and it's free. But you'd fall asleep on that in no time. Interesting, just straight light bulbs. Comfy little couch. I believe that couch pulls out to be a bed. That's one of those sofa beds. I do believe it says in the advertisement. Probably a 50-inch TV there. Coat rack, that's cool. And the place comes with a park pass. Yeah, to get into Banff, if you don't have a park pass, they're constantly looking for the park pass in the windows. So, if you don't have a park pass, they'll issue a fine. So park pass, I don't know, might be $35 for your car for the day, for the weekend. And the fine is maybe $100, maybe $150 for not getting a park pass. But yeah, this place comes with a park pass for my car. Saves me $35 because I want to go into Banff. I want to go check out Lake Louise If anybody's ever been there or wanted to be there, intrigued about the place, I'm going to be filming a video up at Lake Louise. It is gorgeous. And then I'm planning to go to Banff Hot Springs, but I don't know if you can film that, everybody walking around in swimsuits, but Banff Gondola, I really want to go up in the gondola and film. But yeah, right now I'm in Canmore, I just got to Canmore, but yeah, came with a park pass, and you can take the expressway through the gates. You don't have to wait in the gates. Normally there's a line of people buying park passes as they enter. But yeah, look at this little mini fridge. Like, come on, this is an apartment. It's a 2-bed apartment, but it says it sleeps 6, but yeah, 2 in the one bed, 2 in the other bed, and then 2 in this sofa bed. Sleep 6. But a tiny little fridge like that. The TV could be bigger. I do like that massage chair if it works. And it's clean. It's really clean. And for $60 a night, $60 Canadian. So I got it for 40% off, which means they would normally charge $100 plus taxes and cleaning fees if you wanted this place, $100 a night. But yeah, 40% off. Got this big place for, hey YouTube world. Got this place for a song and a dance at $60 a night, but I'm just by myself. I always show the shower heads. Yeah, looks good. Oh, look at that. It's one of those type of drains. Oh, I like that. Oh, that's freaking cool. I've never been in one of those showers before. But yeah, nice, it's clean. No toaster oven. I don't know if that's convection or not. Why would you even want a dishwasher? Oh, wash your own damn dishes. Why would you even want a dishwasher? In this little cramped little space? Like, come on. I know you'd have to have an exhaust fan to put a stove in there. So that's why they don't have a stove there. They don't have the proper exhaust. But still, they could have transferred that space to maybe down there with a cupboard door and put a bigger fridge in. This place needs a full-size fridge. They could have utilized that space better. Do people even use dishwashers anymore? I wonder if there's anything in the cupboards. Oh, look at that. So in an Airbnb, anything in the cupboards is up for grabs. Like, meaning spices and foods, but whatever's in there, you help yourself to put it back, replace it, whatever. Oh, there we go. Instant pot. Oh, bear spray. This place comes with bear spray for when you're going out into Banff National Park. I don't know if I can get that to focus or not. Okay, good, to focus. But yeah, that's what that is. And that's a glow-in-the-dark release, a lock on it. Expiry. It's too blurry to read. But that's the expiry on it. Oh, it looks like it's been handled lots. Still feels full. And it's a pepper deterrent. It's made with cayenne pepper. It doesn't hurt the bear at all. It deters them from killing you. You spray some of that stuff in their eyes, as they're running towards you. It comes out like a mist of vapor. The spray is like 12 or 15 feet. And so it runs into the vapor and it burns its eyes and it runs away, hopefully. Look at this room, eh? Look at this room. So bright and sunny. I like that. Natural light. Fireplace. Electric fireplace. Cute. This place is really cute. Nice view of the place across the street. Gorgeous building, actually. Nice architecture. But yeah, look at this room. Two big beds. One for my suitcase. The other one for me to sleep in. Suitcases. I'll have to make a couple trips back to that car. But yeah, look at this. This is really cool. I like this. I can see how they got $100 or even more for this place. It's tiny, but it's everything you need. It's quaint. But yeah, it's nicer when you get a discount. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I gotta finish this video in this massage chair. But I'm not gonna turn it on yet. I'll end up falling asleep. I have stuff to bring in from the car. Okay, thanks for tuning in, everybody. I really appreciate everybody's support. Thanks very much. 250,000 subscribers. I'm just amazed, blown away. Thanks for enjoying what I do and what I put out. I'm just being myself. Take care of you guys. Trev from Monthly Mission signing out.